Hey guys, welcome back to Fit at the 50. Welcome to today's workout. Today we have a nice standing core workout. This is a beginner workout. You do have an option of using a dumbbell, and dumbbell will make it a little more challenging. So you have something, pick a dumbbell that you can hold over your head for about 30 seconds. So any kind of weight, doesn't have to be a dumbbell, could be a kettlebell or anything else really. If you're new here guys, if we're doing interval workouts, there's always going to be a clock on this wall right here, and then up over my head is going to be a preview of the next exercise. Today we have 4 different exercises. Just follow along with me. They're going to be 30-second work intervals followed by 20-second rest intervals. Nice and easy. This entire workout is 10 minutes long. Once again, thank you for joining me today at Fit After 50. My name is Paul. I take you through all these workouts right here from this basement every Monday and every Thursday. So let's get going, and I'll see you in about 5 seconds. All right, welcome back. We'll get started in about 10 seconds. Grab your dumbbell. You're gonna lift it up over your head. The ceiling in here is very low, so I'm gonna be very careful lifting this over my head, and we're gonna march in place for 30 seconds. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Nice and slow. Balance yourself and hold that dumbbell over your head. Remember, we're doing 30 seconds, then we're resting for 20 seconds, followed by another interval, 30 seconds. All the intervals today are 30 seconds long. For reference, I'm using a 15-pound dumbbell, which is starting to get a little heavy already. Nice and straight arm, and just balance and march. 3, 2, 1, and relax for 20 seconds. We're gonna switch arms, do the same thing. We're gonna go through this twice today, all right? Like I said, this entire workout is 10 minutes long. I apologize if you can't see my head over here, but I work out and film this in a very small room, and this camera is fairly close to me. Trust me, this dumbbell is over my head. Ready? And let's go. Nice march. If you have to extend this arm out, extend it out so you can keep nice, good balance. I don't want you falling from side to side. Control all the movement at all times. Keep it up with me. Less than 10 seconds left. 2, 1, and relax. We're going to go through the same exercise one more time. Nice 20-second break, take a little breather, and then the dumbbell goes up in the air. If you don't have a dumbbell, let me do one without a dumbbell. Not a big deal. You just get that arm up in the air, extend it all the way up, and get going. Ready? 3, 2, 1, arm up and march. Balance with the other arm. Nice slow steps. Those knees come back all the way up as high as you can get them. Just keep marching with me. Good job. 15 seconds left. Hold that arm over your head. 5 seconds, guys. We got this. 3, 2, 1, and relax for a little bit. 20 seconds, not a little bit. It is a little bit. All right. We're gonna switch over. Speak, Paul, speak. For me, my left arm, hey guys, if you're new here, I also film these in one take. So they are what they are. Ready? 3, 2, 1, arm up, and let's go. Yes, these are, I always say my workouts are your workouts. So hold the arm up in the air, best as you can, as straight as you can. For instance, I'm touching the ceiling right now already, so like I said, the ceiling in here is pretty low. But that's all right, we'll do the best that I can. If I had a dumbbell, I curl my fingers a little bit and give myself a little bit of space. All right, and that was that. So now we're doing something very similar, but you're gonna hold both arms up in the air. So the first, we're gonna do 2 sets. The first set I'm gonna do with no dumbbell, and the second set I'm gonna do with my single dumbbell and just hold it over my head. So the same thing, nice and full extension, arms up in the air, and you're gonna march. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Let's march together. Balance. Try not to sway, don't do this. Stay nice and upright, and your feet land in the same spot that they took off from. Walk with me. This is all activating the core and all those stabilizing muscles that we use every day. 3, 2, 1, and relax. For the next set, I am going to use my dumbbell and lift it over my head, show you guys that you can do both ways. If you have two light dumbbells, use both of them. Either way, both arms go up in the air. All right, 5 seconds left. 3, 2, 1, and march. Nice job, everybody. Keep it up, 20 seconds. You guys can see the clock, but if you don't want to look at it, I always tell you how much time there's left in the intervals. Three, 2, 1. All right, we're moving on to the next exercise. We're about halfway done with the workout. All right, now we're going around the globe, as I call it. This is my globe. And we're gonna move the dumbbell around, come back and move it around to the other side. Once again, stabilizing that core at all times. Okay, so ready to go? 3, 2, 1, and let's go. 1, bring it forward. 2, and forward. Around. Right here, looking good. And back. It's 5 seconds left. 3, 2, 1, and relax. One more set, guys. One more set, and we got this. These are very functional core movements today. So, you know, we're not doing crunches, we're not doing sit-ups or anything like that. But these are standing core movements, and we do these kind of movements every day of our lives. So let's ready to go. 3, 2, 1. Enough talking, Paul. All right, come on. Around, back, around, and back. There we go. Back. Yeah. Looking good, feeling better. 3, 2, 1, last one, and relax. All right, one more exercise left, couple of sets, 3 minutes of working out. We're doing wood choppers, one side, other side, one side, and the other side, and then we are done. This is definitely the most dynamic movement of today. So you'll put as much effort as you like. We have 3 minutes left, so all the effort there is. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Chop, chop. Once again, however, stay under control. You got this, come on. There we go. If you don't have a dumbbell, you just get those hands together, intertwine those fingers, and chop with me. 3, 2, 1, and relax. 20 seconds. Let's do the other side, then we'll go through it one more time, and then that's it, we're done. 10 seconds left, guys. Relax, catch your breath. This one definitely elevates the heart rate a little bit. So opposite side, ready to go in 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Twist from the core, and then stop with the core. When you come down, boom. Tighten up that core, use it. That's it, that's it. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and relax. All right, one more time on each side, and we will be done with our standing core workout. That's it, guys. It's gonna be 10 minutes of nice, solid work. 10 seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Stay with me. Almost done. Five seconds. 3, 2, and 1. All right, one more set left. Now it's in the bag. Now we definitely got it. That finish line is right around the corner. We can see it. We can read the banner. We are almost there. 10 seconds, guys, and we're getting ready for the final set of this workout. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Keep it up. Come on, we got this. Work out with me just from home, just like I am. That's all we gotta do. Few minutes a day, couple of times a week. We'll get the metabolism spike, get you moving, and get you on your way. 3, 2, 1, and we are done. Guys, thank you for joining me today at Fit After 50. I really appreciate it. I hope you guys had a great workout. This was our beginner standing core workout with an optional dumbbell. If you guys want to know, I use a 15-pound dumbbell throughout this workout. You use whatever weight you're comfortable with. You can switch weight. 15 was comfortable here, but the chopping wood with 10 was great, or vice versa, whatever works for you. I'm going to post more beginner content on every Thursday and our regular content on Mondays. You guys come back for either one of them, neither one of them if you don't like it, or both of them. Once again, my name is Paul. Thank you for joining me today at Fit After 50, and I'll see you guys during your next workout.